Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website millettable.com. Today we are making purple cabbage fried rice. So first I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil, then whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, half a teaspoon of jeera, then 1 green chilli slit, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of onion, add 1 cup of mixed veggies. I have added carrot, corn, green beans, all these 3, and some peas. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1½ cups of shredded purple cabbage. And 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Just keep covered for a few minutes so that the vegetables become soft but retain the crunchiness. Then I have mixed half a teaspoon of tomato sauce and half a teaspoon of chilli sauce. So I am adding this. It takes just 2 to 3 minutes. Mix in between. Vegetables are cooked. Now mix in 2 cups of pre-cooked and cold kodo millet. Mix on a low heat. I am adding half a teaspoon more of salt. Just mix everything well, that's all. So purple cabbage fried rice is ready.